Indulge in the decadent delight of this chocolate banana pastry, a dessert that will satisfy your sweet cravings and leave you craving for more. The combination of rich velvety chocolate and sweet ripe bananas creates a harmonious flavor profile that is simply irresistible. The recipe involves creating a buttery pastry crust, filling it with a creamy chocolate and banana mixture, and finally baking it to golden perfection. As the pastry bakes, the aroma of chocolate and bananas fills your kitchen, building anticipation for the moment you can finally dig in. This dessert is perfect for any occasion, whether you're hosting a dinner party or simply treating yourself after a long day. With each bite, you'll experience a symphony of flavors and textures that will take your taste buds on a journey of pure bliss. So why wait? Whip up this chocolate banana pastry now and treat yourself to a truly divine dessert experience.
Begin by preheating your oven to a perfect 200 degree. Lay out a baking sheet lined with parchment to ensure your cookies bake evenly and come off smoothly. As you gather your ingredients, combine 175 grams of flour, 50 grams of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and half teaspoon of salt in a bowl. Chop 150 grams of dark chocolate into delectable pieces. Next, peel and mash one ripe banana until it becomes a smooth puree. In a separate bowl, melt 100 grams of butter and let it cool slightly. Blend this with 140 grams of sugar and 15 grams of vanilla sugar until it becomes a creamy mixture. To this, add the banana puree and 1 chicken yolk, mixing well until everything is well incorporated. Gradually fold in the dry ingredients and the chopped chocolate, creating a delightful dough that already smells heavenly. Now it's time to form the cookies. Roll the dough into identical balls, placing them on the prepared baking sheet with a 5 cm gap in between to allow for spreading. Slightly flatten each ball to ensure they bake evenly. Slide the tray into the oven and bake for about 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them. They should be set but still soft at the center, promising a gooey, chewy core with each bite. Serve these cookies warm, perhaps with a scoop of vanilla ice cream or just a dusting of powdered sugar for an extra touch of sweetness. Each bite will be a symphony of flavors. The profound richness of cocoa, the sweet hint of banana, and the melty goodness of dark chocolate. Enjoy these cookies with loved ones, savoring the joyful moments they bring. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mouth-watering recipes. Share your own cookie-making tips in the comments below.